why it sucked to be Noah. Hey you, imagine this. You are Noah, 500 years young, finally retired, but there's just one problem. You are the last righteous man on Earth, which means God has something he needs you to do.
Noah.
Hello?
Noah, I am done with Earth. Everyone stinks and is real bad, so I'm gonna give them a bath. A bath called a flood.
Okay, what's a flood?
Oh, right, I haven't done one yet. A flood is rain.
Okay, what's a rain?
Never mind, just build a boat and bring the family.
So you start building a boat. In the desert for 120 years. You're mocked, shunned, fined by your hut owners association, and that's before the hard parts. You expect me to get one of every animal?
Twice?
So you do. No backup tranquilizers or pokeballs. Pair of lions, check. Pair of termite. Hey, stop beating my boat! And then it happens. The sky opens. God himself seals the door, and the world ends. You and your family float in the world's first floating zoo for over a year. You were the last good man on Earth, and your reward? Storms, fear, and so much poop. Oh no! Finally, the waters recede. The door creaks open. You expect the world to be rejuvenated, but it's just sort of ruined. You trudge out, build an altar, burn an offering, and God makes you a promise. Never again. He will never flood his globe again. To prove it, he gives you the rainbow, the first one in history. And you realize being good doesn't necessarily make life easier. Sometimes it makes it heavier, but it also means you never have to do it alone, because even in your loneliest hour, you were part of a pair.